Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2011 Kawasaki ZX1000 I want to show you. Beautiful black bike, hot as a firecracker. Ninja, body looks real good on it, didn't see any cracks. Got a couple little spots on it, there's one right down here. Little scratch. Little scuff right here, but it's not cracked or broken. We put a brand new tire on the front of it for you. Inverted forks. Thing runs great. It's got good miles on it too. Tank looks real good. I thought I saw a scratch on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's just like a tiny little hairline right there. Bike's got 3,866 miles. Not bad miles at all for a 2011. Let me give it a little juice here. Right at 1,000 cc, liquid cooled, inline 4-cylinder. Thing will scat. Rear tire looks, well, that's a brand new rear tire too, so it's got new tires front and rear. Love the way those things sound. Ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's ready to ride. Put you a battery tender lead on it there. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. We take almost anything in on trade. We're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Go online and check out our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.